You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious name, Mr. Comic Book Character. Mr, as the Americans say it. I put the phonetic spelling on your screen so you can really easily learn the pronunciation, but let's hear it, learn it together. Mxyzptlk, alright? So you essentially add I's or Y's between the syllables here, between the consonants. Mxyzptlk. If you add I's and Y's, Mxyzptlk. Mr Mxyzptlk. Can you pronounce this? It's interesting, hilarious. Mxyzptlk. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.